Markets hoping to shake off 2022's gloom, with investors looking to optimism in China's reopening and a less hawkish Fed. Joining us now with more, we've got John Stolfus, who is the Oppenheimer Chief Investment Strategist. John, great to have you here with us today. You look out into 2023 and you think about some of the things that we hope to leave behind in 2022. Which of those factors do you think will still loom large as we move into next year, though?
We've got to think that with the Fed still in a rate hike cycle, plenty of uncertainty remains on the table. That said, we think a lot of this has been priced into the market this year. We'd have to suggest that indeed the market has been oversold, whether it's the NASDAQ, whether it's the S&P 500. Or the small caps. So we would have to think that next year, the 2023, is likely to be a better year. I think the Fed's going to keep raising, okay, but we think the adjustments will be modest. We're not looking for a pivot. We're not looking for a pause, at least through the first quarter into the second quarter.
Hello and welcome back to Cryptolenium. Please like and subscribe, and let's dig in. As far as more general insight, here's what the World Economic Forum predicts for crypto in 2023. If you're not aware of the World Economic Forum, it is a group of the most powerful individuals in the world, meeting once a year in Geneva, I believe, to discuss the future of the world's economics under the table without regulatory oversight. Kind of a weird setup, but definitely supporting evidence for the fact that the most powerful people in the world are colluding together. So a recent report that was published on January 2nd, Dante Disparte, an official with the World Economic Forum's Digital Currency Governance Consortium, said that the current economic climate of the crypto industry can be compared to that of the 1995's dot-com bubble. During that time, the majority of businesses were wiped out, and only the most formidable organizations survived. The World Economic Forum's stance on crypto, according to them, the crypto winter of 2022 might be the turning point for the industry at large. Due to the numerous fallouts encountered by top crypto businesses last year, the WEF warned that the future of cryptocurrencies will be driven by the regulatory frameworks issued by a nation's government. They went on to say that policymakers who have been sounding an alarm about crypto's excessive risks while failing to create sensible regulations have been vindicated by not one, but multiple large-scale failures. They noted that jurisdictions that take steps to regulate crypto are likely to define the future. However, the WF also noted that unscrupulous actors can or will still exploit the industry while it grows. They made note of big players like JP Morgan, who are rapidly embracing the usage of blockchain technology. They also emphasized the fact that banning the industry might not be the best course of action, comparing it to the vices associated with the wider internet. Despite the fact that the crypto market has seen major financial losses, we didn't ban the internet or email. The more enduring approach with all breakthrough technologies is to net out their harmful effects by placing technologies in the hands of responsible actors and encouraging the responsible use. Despite the potential for these technologies to inflict significant damage in the wrong hands, the Geneva-based forum stated that the modern economic toolset will continue to use cryptocurrency and blockchains as an essential component in the foreseeable future. Crypto is not going anywhere. The most powerful people in the world tend to agree, and they're putting out official statements to support this notion. And finally, one of the more popular analysts, Michel van de Poppe, crypto markets will bottom by Q1 of 2023. This is not financial advice. The year 2022 is over, and experts are speculating on the future of the cryptocurrency industry. A well-known analyst, Michel van de Poppe, forecasts that the market will meander sideways and temporarily bottom out in Q1 of 2023. Poppe believes that in Q2 of 23, we'll see a relief rally for Bitcoin, with the price rising between $30,000 and $35,000, while interest rate hikes will stop and inflation will start to fall. Van de Poppe further predicts that a crisis and recession will start in the third and fourth quarters of 2023, followed by another index decline. This is quite an interesting and radical prediction from the analyst. Additionally, he's optimistic about a significant bull market in 24 and 25, with Bitcoin's price perhaps hitting 250 or 300,000 by the conclusion of those years. A bit bullish if you ask me, but very, very interesting. As always, take everything with a grain of salt. Nobody knows what's going to happen. And the sequence of events is a sequence that has yet to be seen. So with that said, practice due diligence. And if you stuck around this long, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you tomorrow.